Okay, we're going to do a new video on Schwab on a different browser. The other one was really slow. You have to turn on options with Schwab. So hopefully this browser is faster. It seems to be. It was really slow, and they just did it on Chrome. It was awful. And then under account settings, you're going to go down to options, trading, change options level. You need at least level 2, I would say, to you want to be able to buy spreads. So that's where I'm at. You don't really need this. If I fund this account, I'm eligible for it, but I haven't yet. So if we're going to trade an option, and we're going to do what we've been doing on the other ones, we're going to do a SPY, July 17th, 280, 263 put spread. And so I'm going to show you how to do it on Schwab's desktop apps. I know a few of you that are using that. It's a little bit different. But so up here, you go to options. And this should pop up. Basic spreads and straddle. That's what you want to do. Symbol is SPY. So and then your options are all going to come up. This is brutal. So July 17th options. So you're going to buy the 280 put. And on Schwab, you have to do, when you're long an option, buy to open, quantity of 1, or however many contracts. Each contract is 100 shares. And then here, you have to just basically click in there. It'll pop up the same thing. And you're going to sell. I'm selling the 263 against it. And I have to sell to open. So, order type. If it's in market day trading and it's pretty close, you can just go ahead and press market. It's going to go. Even's going to do what's called the mid. So it'll pick the prices in between so you don't have to go. Estimated amount and all that stuff isn't popping up. I guess maybe because the market's not open. Profit and loss chart. I don't know what it wouldn't pull up on Chrome. I'm looking to see what it'll do here on Brave. If the Brave browser is that much better. There you go. You get a decent idea of, it doesn't really show you what your max loss, your max profit is, but it does show you in the kind of the sloping chart of where SPY's price is going to be, the underlying price, and where your kind of your break-even price is. So once you have all that, review order. I don't have any money in this account, so it's not going to let me go. But so that's how you do it. And to go ahead and close an order, I don't want to make the video too long, but you just, if you want to get out of it, it's made money, it's moved a decent amount. Your long SPY put, you want to sell to close. and your other one you want to buy to close. So this side's going to be sell to close for your long, and you're buying back the one you're short, just like when you're short any stock.